And here is Vanuatu, Indonesia, Banda Aceh, July 22nd, a 5.6. These are all volcanoes going off all at once today. 5 volcanoes. There's one. Most likely these are where all the volcanoes are. Going bottomless pit. Revelation 9:1. And the 5th angel sounded, and I saw a star fall from heaven unto the earth, and to him was given the key of the bottomless pit. To the earth. Arable land, ground, the earth as a standing place, the main land as opposed to the sea, the earth as a whole. Unto him was given the key to the bottomless pit, and he opened the bottomless pit. To open bottomless is a well, like a well, pit, and there arose, ascended, to go up, to rise, mount, to born up, to spring up, and there arose a smoke, rose, and a smoke came out of the pit, and the sun and the air were darkened by reason of the smoke of the pit, line to cover with darkness. So, and he opened the bottomless pit, and there arose a smoke out of the pit, as the smoke of a great furnace, and the sun and the air were darkened by reason of the smoke of the pit. And here's all these volcanoes, which they are natural, but they are closing airports. People are stranded. Tourists that go to look at these, they're all stranded. You see that pit there? And the smoke coming out? It looks like an eye. But it's a pit. It's a well, a pit. Just like the Bible says. Look at that face. Look at that face. These eyes.